Welcome to our YouTube channel Pet Blast India. In this video, I'll show you how perfect mineral water bottle business working. Let's start the video. First, you need to buy preforms according to your bottle neck size and desired bottle weight. After that, place the preforms into Pet Blast India's all-electric pet blowing machine. Inside the machine, infrared heaters soften the preforms evenly until they become flexible enough for blowing. The heated preform is placed into a bottle mold. High-pressure air is blown inside the preform, expanding it against the walls of the mold, and the bottle takes shape instantly. The mold opens and the finished bottle is automatically ejected. The empty bottles are then transferred to the rinsing section, where they are thoroughly cleaned using purified water. After rinsing, the bottles move to the filling machine. Once filled, the bottles are automatically sealed with caps using a capping machine. Next, they pass through the labeling machine, where printed labels or sleeves are applied. This is how mineral water bottle business working. If you want to start this business, then please feel free to contact us. Pet Blast India, your partner in complete water bottle plant solutions.